Then the girl in the corner with the scarlet letter. While you're watching, you may think that she doesn't matter, but no one knows you better.
So hi guys, I'm Jubel Laria and I'm here to answer the Packet Tracer and activity and chapter 10, which is the Packet Tracer FTP servers objectives. Part 1, configure FTP service on server. Part 2, upload a file to the FTP servers. Part 3, download a file from the FTP server. Background. In this activity, you will configure FTP services. You will then use the FTP services to transfer files between clients and server. Note: Packet Tracer only simulates the process for configuring these services. FTP server and client software packages each have their own unique installation and configuration instruction. The first time you attempt to connect to a web address, Packet Tracer takes several seconds to simulate the DNS name resolution process. Part 1. Configure FTP service on server. Configure the FTP service on central server. Click the central server service tab FTP. So, click the central server. Next is the service tab and the FTP, and click on the to enable the FTP service. So, in user setup, create the following user accounts. Click add to add an account. So, need to click add. In user setup, click add. So, this is the username. Add user account is configured already. So, we don't need to create a username, password information because we already there are already the user our account is configured already. So the next is click the default Cisco user account and click remove to delete it. Close the central server configuration window. So click the default Cisco and remove add. Okay, remove. So configure the FTP server on branch server. Repeat step 1, branch server. The branch server repeat in the step 1. We need to repeat to click the service, and we need to on the FTP on, and then click add. So next is upload a file to the FTP server. Transfer the readme text file from home laptop to central server. As a network administrator, you must place a notice on the FTP service and document has been created on the home laptop and must be uploaded to the FTP server. Click Home Laptop, click the Desktop tab, and Text Editor. And then open the readme text file and review it. Close the text editor when done. So that is home laptop, the text editor, So in this home laptop, we don't have a Redmi text file, so we need to close it. So in desktop tab, open the command prompt in desktop tab. Open the command prompt window to perform the following step. Desktop tab. The, in the home laptop, the desktop tab, the home laptop, we need to open the prompt and type FTP and then wait the seconds while the client connects. The server prompt from the user password, use the credential for the administrator account. So next is the prompt changes to FTP list the contents of the directory by typing dir the file directly from central server. From central server prompt change type prompt change typing dir the factory central display. Okay, so step 2, transfer the Redmi text file from the home laptop to branch server. Repeat step 1 to transfer the Redmi text file from the branch server PT. Close the command prompt and home laptop windows respectively. So repeat step 1C. Transfer the Redmi text file. The Redmi text file. So next is click PC2 and click the desktop tab command prompt. PC2. Click the PC2 and the desktop command tab command prompt. Type FTP PTA. So the server prompts from the user and password, use the credentials for anonymous account. So the prompt changed to FTP list and directory by typing dir. Okay, the connection to the port 1 connect failed. Need to reconnect. To verify the anonymous account does not permission write file central server by typing put sample text file, the following error displayed. Verify the anonymous central server. Write the file sample file in the central server. centrals. Changing the screen name in activity may affect scoring. In the desktop text file editor, and then the readme text file to the verify integrity of the file. In the desktop tab, open the text editor. So we need to X in the central server PC2. In the desktop text editor, and oops, it transferred the readme text file branch to the smartphone. The smartphone. So we don't need to change the readme text file from the branch server PTK because when the display name change when can affect the scoring. So that's all the chapter 10 packet tracer RTP servers. In this packet tracer, the home desktop will send in the WRS, and the central server can send the S3 R2 to the switch 3 and router 2. In the branch server, they can send in central in switch 4 and the N and router 4. So I hope you learned about what I've been discussed in this chapter.